Okay,
This is Abdul Rakib speaking from HBL. Can I speak to H.Hussain, please?
speaking.
H.Hussain, I am calling in regards to invite you to come at a seminar which will be held at 16th of May 2020, 9 o'clock in morning. This
Okay,
seminar will introduce ACT as a modern institute where we offer retail management courses, information technology courses, call center training.
okay.
Furthermore, it will be a chance to network with other industry professionals.
Sounds wonderful. That's great. Yes.
Sir, uh, if you are agree to come at a seminar, then you have to give some details. Your first
Okay.
name, please.
H Hazrat.
Okay, your last name,
Hussain Hussain.
your presidential address,
That will be 26th Street,
any contact number or mobile number,
3402. Yeah,
your uh, your
it's
email address, please.
2545103.
Okay, number of participants.
I'd like to come along with my family, 5 people total in totals.
Can you tell me the name of participants, please?
Well, that will be Hussein, Mrs. Hussein, my son Yusuf, Yunus, and Alian.
Okay, fine. Education of each participant, please.
Graduation, matric, class 7, class 4, and class 1.
Okay, age of each participant.
46, 39, 14, 11, and 4.
Thanks.
Okay.